Hi friends, this video shows how to open battery cover of MetaQuest 3 controller. So these are the MetaQuest 3 controllers and this is a battery cover. So we have to open this battery cover if you want to replace the battery. Let me show you how we can open this battery cover. So here we can see battery release tab. So we have to press this tab. Let me press it. Done. This way we can easily open battery cover. Then we can take this battery outside. So let me take this battery outside. See, so this way we can open battery cover and replace the battery. So let me insert this battery back. So next I will show you how to close this cover. Just place this cover, then we have to push, then we'll hear a tick sound. Let me push. See, done. So this way we can open battery cover and replace the battery. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.